Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the system's speech engine, so Translate uses a male voice. Open Settings, go to Languages and Input or Accessibility, then Text-to-Speech Output. Make sure Google Text-to-Speech is selected as the preferred engine. Once done, tap the engine settings to install voice data for the language you want. This matters because Google Translate uses the system TTS. Changing the engine and installed voices forces Translate to speak with the selected voice variant. Next, you pick the male variant and adjust parameters. In Google TTS settings, choose Install Voice Data, pick your target language, then review the voice variants listed. Variants are often numbered or labeled. Download the male-sounding variant and set it as the active voice. Make sure to also adjust speech rate and pitch to natural settings. A slower rate and neutral pitch often sound more masculine. Once selected, the system will use that voice when any app, including Translate, requests speech output. Finally, test the result in Google Translate by typing text and tapping the speaker icon. You should hear the male variant. If it still sounds female, make sure offline voice data is downloaded for that language or reinstall the selected variant. Also clear the Translate and Google TTS app caches, reselect Google TTS as the preferred engine, and restart your device. That often forces the change. If problems persist, switch variants to compare or update Google Play services and the TTS engine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.